everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Guys, in this video I'm going to share with you this makeup look that you can see on my face right now. So guys, this is the month of festivities. Diwali is also coming, so I'm so happy and I wanted to create a look for you that you can definitely recreate. This look is also very versatile guys. You can team up this look with any ethnic attire, sarees, suits, and you can only change the lip color. I have teamed up this look with red lips, so you can definitely change the lip color. If you're a teenager or a student, then definitely you can go for any nude lipstick as well. It will look very gorgeous. So guys, before proceeding, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to enjoy more such videos. Also, please give this video a like and share if you like this makeup look. So guys, do comment down below and let me know as well how this makeup look turned out to be. So guys, let's begin and see how I've created this look. Let's get started. I'm starting my makeup with a good skincare. So already I have washed my face guys. So now I'm moisturizing my face using this Nivea moisturizer. Now I'm going to apply this primer, and this is by VLCC. This is VLCC Perfector in the shade Ivory, and this you can definitely use as a primer, and it also gives color correction as well, and it is really very affordable. Now I'm using this foundation from Maybelline in the shade 120 Warm Nude, and this is a really good foundation. It also gives a very good coverage, medium to high coverage, which is buildable. So I'm dotting it all over my face using my finger. So now I'm blending this using my wet beauty blender, and this is a really good foundation as it blends so easily, you can see guys, and it also gives a very good coverage, and along with that it is really good for normal to oily skin. So if any one of you has a really very oily skin, then definitely you can go for this foundation. If you have a dry skin, then definitely moisturize your face well before applying this foundation. So now I'm taking this concealer from Swiss Beauty in the shade 03, and I'm applying it around my dark circles, as you can see guys. So this is really a good concealer. It blends really easily, and I'm also applying this concealer around my mouth. I have a little bit of pigmentation over there, and on my usual spots, wherever I'm having darkness or spots on my face, I'm applying over there and blending it really well. This is a really very good concealer from Swiss Beauty. It is very affordable and it blends very easily. It also doesn't creases easily, so that's what I like about this concealer, and it also gives a very good coverage. So as you can see guys, my dark circles are now not visible after applying this concealer. So now I'm setting my makeup really well using this loose powder from Maybelline. Shade is I think 15. Light medium, and it is a really very good loose powder and gives a very good finish, as you can see, and it also sets makeup really well. So now I'm taking this palette from Giovanna Colors in the set 01. This is their Ultra Blush palette, and I'm taking the contouring set from this palette. So I'm going to contour my face using this palette, and it is a very affordable palette. So guys, after applying foundation, our face really looks very flat, and if you are having a chubby face, then contouring is also a very important step. It gives a very good structure and dimension to face. So guys, now I'm contouring my jawline as I am having double chin. So guys, you can see after contouring my face looks slimmer than before. So contouring is really a very important step if you are having a chubby face. So now I'm contouring my nose using this brush and blending it really well. Now I'm taking this blush from Stay Quirky in the set Coral Cheek. This is a really very pretty set guys, as you can see, and I'm blending it really well using my blush brush. And this is a very affordable blush guys, on a very good price point, and along with that this is a really very good quality blush that I've tried. So I highly recommend, you can definitely try this out. I'm also applying this blush on my chin and nose tip as well to give a natural look. Now I'm taking this highlighter, Swiss Beauty Fusion highlighter in the set 04, and applying on the highest points of my face, as you can see guys. So this is a really very good highlighter that I've tried on the affordable side, so definitely you can try this out guys. And as you can see, it is highlighting my face really well and very good for parties and festivals. You can definitely try this out guys. So next I am combing my eyebrow using this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencils brush that comes with this pencil. After that I am filling my eyebrows really well and giving it a proper shape. So this is a very affordable eyebrow pencil, and it is really very good that I tried. So guys, now I'm going to do my eye makeup. I'm taking this Nicka K Autumn Spice eyeshadow palette, and I highly recommend guys you should definitely try this eyeshadow palette. So I'm picking up this brownish shade from this palette, and I'm going to use this on my whole eyelids and also along my transition line, and I'm blending it really well using a floppy blending brush, as you can see guys. And these eyeshadows do blend really well. The matte shades are little bit powdery, but they do blend really well. And I'm also taking that shade to my lower lash line like this. So blending is a key guys. If you want a very good eye makeup, do blend your eyeshadows really well. I've also completed my left eye, as you can see guys. So next I'm taking this chocolate brown kind of shade from this palette, and I'm going to blend this eyeshadow on my outer V, on the outer V of my eyelid like this, as you can see. And I'm taking a smaller blending brush. So guys, as you can see, I'm depositing this shade on the outer V of my eyelid like this first, then I'm blending it very carefully, concentrating on my outer V. So guys, basically I want to give a smoky look to my eye makeup, so that's why I'm doing this process, and I'm very carefully depositing this eyeshadow on my outer V and blending it really well. Now I'm applying this liquid eyeshadow from Blue Heaven in the shade 01 Golden Limelight, and this is a very affordable liquid eyeshadow, and you should definitely try this out guys. It gives such a glamorous and gorgeous look, as you can see guys. Very good for parties, and if you are having any function at your home, wedding, marriages or anything, you can definitely pick up this eyeshadow guys. It's a very gorgeous shade, as you can see. So I'm just applying this liquid eyeshadow on the inner half of my eyelid, as you can see guys, and I'm not doing any cut crease, but still then I'm getting that cut crease kind of look, as you can see guys. So you should definitely try out this liquid eyeshadow. It's really very good, and it is very affordable as well. So now I'm blending my outer V once again to intensify it a little more and to blend everything together, as you can see guys. So now I'm taking the fluffy blending brush, and I'm blending my transition line once again, so that there will be no harsh edges and everything will be well blended together. Now I'm using this eyeliner from NY Bay, a Shakti Mohan eyeliner in the shade blue, and I'm drawing a winged eyeliner, as you can see guys. So this is a really very good eyeliner. This is not waterproof, but definitely the color pigmentation is good, and the tip of this eyeliner is also very precise to draw winged eyeliner. So definitely you can try this out. So all the product links I'll give in the description box guys. You can directly purchase from the links. So next I'm taking this kajal from Purple, eye winking together kajal I guess, and I'm applying this kajal on my lower waterline, and I'm also tight lining, as you can see guys. So now I'm taking the smaller blending brush with a dark chocolate brown shade, and I'm blending my kajal to give a smoky look. So guys, I have put my false eyelashes, and these are very natural looking eyelashes. So now I'm taking this mascara from Essence, I Love Extreme mascara, and I'm blending my natural eyelashes with my artificial eyelashes, as you can see, and I'm also applying this mascara on my lower lash line. So this is also a really very good mascara that I've tried. It also gives really very good volume and lengthens lashes. So next I'm taking this lipstick. I think this is Lakme Absolute Argan Oil lip color in the shade Sinful Cherry. So this is a really very good reddish pink sort of lipstick, and I really like this lipstick so much. The pigmentation is amazing, and along with that it is very nourishing and moisturizing on lips, and I love this lipstick. This is my new purchase guys, and I really like this lipstick so much. So now I'm taking this setting spray from Faces Canada, and I'm setting my makeup really well. So guys, once again I'm taking the same highlighter and applying on the highest points of my face. So guys, you can follow this step after applying any makeup setting spray. It will give a much more highlighting effect. It is going to look really very gorgeous. So now I'm taking the same shade and highlighting the inner corner of my eyes. So guys, now I'll be back. Guys, this is my final completed look. I hope you like this makeup. I've accessorized this look using this Jawari pearls, set of earrings and Mangtika that I've taken from Amazon, and I've also put on my bangles. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this makeup tutorial. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, love you all.